Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy to have you with us today.
My name is Lucas.
And I'm Sarah. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through natural conversations.
We speak clearly and slowly so you can understand, repeat, and learn.
Today's topic is very important, especially for English learners.
Yes, today we're talking about education and study life.
We'll talk about school, learning habits, teachers, exams, and how to study better.
Before we begin, please remember to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Your support really helps our channel grow.
Okay, Sarah, are you ready?
Yes, let's get started.
Sarah, when you hear the word education, what do you think of?
I think of school, learning new things, teachers, books, and exams.
Yes, education is a big part of our lives,
We start learning when we are very young.
and we never really stop learning.
That's true. Learning happens at school, at work, and in daily life.
Education helps us grow as people.
It helps us find jobs, understand the world, and communicate with others.
Let's talk about school life. Did you enjoy school when you were younger?
Yes and no. I liked learning, but I didn't like exams.
I feel the same way. I enjoyed some subjects more than others.
Which subject was your favorite?
I really liked English and history.
That makes sense. And which subject did you dislike?
Math. It was difficult for me.
Many students feel that way about math.
What about you? What was your favorite subject?
I liked science and literature.
Science is very interesting.
Yes, I liked learning how things work.
Let's describe a typical school day.
Okay, most school days start early.
Yes, many students wake up around 6 or 7 in the morning.
They get dressed, eat breakfast, and go to school.
Classes usually start around 8 or 9.
Students attend different classes during the day.
They have lessons like math, English, science, and history.
There are also breaks between classes.
Breaks are important to rest and talk with friends.
And then there is lunch break.
Lunch is often a favorite time for students.
Let's talk about teachers.
Teachers play a very important role in education.
A good teacher can make learning fun and interesting.
Yes, and a bad teacher can make learning difficult.
Did you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my English teacher was very kind and patient.
That's great. My favorite teacher was my science teacher.
What made her special?
She explained things clearly and encouraged us to ask questions.
That's very important. Students should feel comfortable asking questions. Now, let's talk about studying.
Studying is not always easy.
No, but it is necessary.
Students study to understand lessons and prepare for exams.
Do you think studying at home is difficult?
Sometimes, yes, there are many distractions.
Like phones, TV, and social media.
Exactly. It's easy to lose focus.
What helped you study better?
I made a study schedule.
That's a good idea.
I studied a little every day instead of studying all night before exams.
That's called good study habits. Let's talk more about study habits.
Good study habits help students learn faster.
For example, studying in a quiet place,
And turning off your phone while studying.
taking short breaks is also important.
Yes, studying for hours without breaks is not effective.
What about note-taking?
Very important. Writing notes helps you remember information.
I agree. I learn better when I write things down.
Now let's talk about exams.
Exams can be stressful.
Yes, many students feel nervous before exams.
How did you feel before exams?
I felt anxious but prepared.
Preparation makes a big difference.
Yes, when you study well, you feel more confident.
Some students only study the night before.
That usually causes stress.
It's better to prepare early.
Let's talk about learning English.
Many of our viewers are learning English right now.
Yes, and learning a language is a long journey.
Students often worry about making mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. You learn by trying.
Listening, speaking, reading, and writing are all important.
Practice every day, even a little.
Education has changed a lot in recent years.
Yes, online learning is very common now.
Students can study from home,
Online classes are convenient.
but they also require self-discipline.
That's true. It's easy to get distracted.
Do you like online learning?
I like it for flexibility, but I miss face-to-face classes.
Me too. Talking to teachers and classmates in person is important.
Let's talk about college and university life.
College is very different from school,
Students have more freedom.
but also more responsibility.
They choose their subjects.
And they manage their own time.
University life is exciting, but challenging.
Many students live away from home for the first time.
That teaches independence.
Education is connected to career.
Yes, education helps people find better jobs.
But education is not only about money.
It's also about personal growth.
Learning new skills helps us adapt.
In today's world, learning never stops.
Students face many problems.
Like stress, pressure, and lack of motivation.
Some students feel overwhelmed.
It's important to ask for help.
Teachers, family, and friends can help.
Mental health is very important for students.
Let's give some tips to students.
Tip 1. Create a study routine.
Tip 2. Take breaks and rest.
Tip 3. Ask questions when you don't understand.
Tip 4. Practice every day.
Tip 5. Believe in yourself.
Now let's practice some sentences.
Repeat after us at home.
I am a student.
I study every day.
I want to improve my English.
I enjoy learning new things.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Here is today's question. What subject do you like the most and why?
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
For example, I like English because it helps me communicate.
We hope this video helped you learn how to talk about education and study life in English.
Remember, learning takes time and practice.
Be patient with yourself.
Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
We'll see you in the next episode of Let's Talk in English.
Goodbye and happy learning.